Bateman families, so excited to have Forge here at Bateman. Forge After School Programming will offer free after-school classes to our Bateman students. Within the next few weeks, you will be able to view our schedule of classes being offered and apply through our student program application. All classes being offered are virtual, so all classes are remote through the end of the school year. We have partnerships and we have our Bateman instructors. Some of our partnerships include dance, cooking, STEM, yoga, and theater. And now let's hear what some of our teachers here at Bateman have to offer you.
Hello Bateman families, my name is Ms. Soto and I am the music teacher here at Bateman Elementary. This year I will be doing the beginning piano and the advanced piano class through our Forge after school programming. Beginning piano is open up to anyone in grades 1 through 4. You do not need a piano or a keyboard. However, if you do have one, that makes it even better. But we will be utilizing a lot of online programs as well as paper pianos. For those of you interested in advanced piano, that is by invite only and is only offered to students who have already completed beginning piano. For those of you hoping to continue advanced piano, please be on the lookout for an email from me inviting you to participate. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.
Hello, Bateman families, and welcome to Blaze Battle of the Books. This is a program where students get a chance to read a variety of books from a designated list. And for the grades 4 through 6, some of the books are Look Both Ways by Jason Reynolds, which is a collection of short stories that are intertwined. There's also Anti-Hero, which is a graphic novel adventure. And then we have, of course, The Tiny Mansion by author Kier Graff, who came to Bateman through a virtual author visit. For the 7th and 8th grade list, we have Jacqueline Woodson, Before the Ever After. We have When Stars Are Scattered, which is a graphic novel about refugees. And then we have Torpedoed, which takes place during World War II and is a nonfiction book. And those are just some of the samples. So let the battle begin. I hope to see you soon.
I checked outside today. The cold air, it's still there. But while that's still there, we still have to try to make room for fitness. How do we do that? We can join Blaze Fitness, Commit to be Fit, where we'll learn about indoor fitness, nutrition, and how to plan fitness into your day. So please join me on Tuesdays and Thursdays for Commit to be Fit, and you'll learn what you need to stay healthy and active inside. Tuesdays will be for kindergarten through 5th grade from 3:45 to 4:45, and Thursdays will be for 6th through 8th grade. I hope you can join me, stay healthy, and stay well.
Hi there, Miss Tamboni here. I am the 4th through 8th grade visual arts teacher at Bateman Elementary School. For the Forge program, I'm going to be teaching both of the art clubs in the afternoon. And if you are a person who is super interested in mixed media, drawing, collage, watercolor techniques, and some other really funky designs, then art club is definitely for you. All right, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Did you know that no kids in the history of kids have ever had to do what you are doing right now? No kids have ever had to do school at home, sitting in their living room or in their bedroom or anywhere that there is space in their home to watch their teacher and learn all day at home. You are doing an amazing job this school year. On that note, I want to invite you to continue your amazing year with my after-school program called Reading Fun for Firsties. Firsties is a nickname for first graders. If you think you need some help with your letter sounds, blending the sounds together, or reading your sight words in a snap, this program is for you. We will use sandboxes and gel bags, beads, and more fun tools to bring learning to life and smiles to learning. I hope to see some familiar faces and some new faces. Come one, come all. I hope to see you soon.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Liberto. I am Bateman's bilingual coordinator. This year, I will teach an after-school program titled STEM Scouts. STEM Scouts is now STEAM Scouts. We have added an additional content area of art. STEAM Scouts will meet weekly from 3:45 to 4:45 on Wednesday or Thursday. We will look at inquiry-based units around science, technology, engineering, art, and math. These units have been vetted by the Boy Scouts of America. STEAM Scouts reimagines creative ways to learn about science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. This year, we will meet virtually. Every student will receive a bag of supplies to take home. Pickup will be determined at a later date. One of the units of study is fabric, so we will be testing different swatches of fabric. Another unit is based around paper. For example, paper and water. How does paper move? Another unit will be on paint, making paint and using paint as I think. You'll have to join to find out. And if there's time, we also have a unit on coding and animation. So if this is your area of interest, fabric, paper, paint, coding, animation, sign up for Wednesday or Thursday from 3:45 to 4:45. Thank you for listening.
Hello, Bateman families. I'm Mr. Colon, and today I want to introduce this program for kids in grades K to 2, where we learn computer science and coding. Kids are introduced to the tools and actually how coding works to create animations, games, and all sorts of programs. They'll get to dive into the program and use Scratch Junior and learn how to code. It'll be a fun program where they can create and innovate.